Hello and welcome to TunePad channel. In this video guide, we will show you how to import Spotify music to Denon DJ. The first step is to download Spotify songs in MP3 format with TunePad Spotify Converter. Visit TunePad program, and you need to log into your Spotify free or premium account first. Next, click the gear button to complete the setting of the output parameters. According to your actual needs, choose the output format, bit rate, sample rate, output path, and output file name. In addition, TunePad provides options for file output organization. You can sort the converted files in different ways. Now, open a Spotify album or playlist that you want to convert. Click the blue Add to List button on the right. If you don't want duplicate songs to appear in your local music library, you can click Hide Converted in the upper left corner to filter out. Then manually tick the titles you want to convert. Tap on the Convert Now button. TunePad uses advanced decoding technology to get Spotify music in MP3 format 10 times faster. So you just have to be patient for a few minutes until the conversion is all done. Done. The second step is to add the converted Spotify music to Denon DJ. As you can see, you can view the converted files in TunePad's History module. Find the folder where the converted Spotify music is stored and open it. Run the Denon DJ engine prime from your computer. Drag the mouse to select all songs and move to the Collection button on the left menu bar of Denon DJ. These titles are recognized by Denon DJ and automatically generate a new playlist. You can right-click to rename the playlist. For example, name it Spotify. All the songs are arranged on the right panel of the program. That is, on the track list. Select the target song and drag it to the virtual panel above to start mixing. Enjoy your music! Using Spotify on Denon DJ is not as hard as you think, is it? The video ends here. If you like our videos, please follow our channel.